here from Correct Air. We're here in Brookvale in another one of our Mitsubishi Electric VRF projects. This project includes multiple fan coils for the correct zoning to provide the perfect comfort for this new use of this space. We've custom designed this system to suit the new office space. Prior to this was an entire factory floor area. Excited to see the internal stage of this project come together for our client, meaning they can soon move in furniture and start operating in this new space.